You can't do specialty pharmacy as a hobby. You can't dabble in it. You've got to be all in. And that's what we are. We're all in at Integrity RX. The whole idea was to help people. And I saw pharmacy as a pathway to be able to help people. Specialty pharmacies are exactly what the name implies. They're pharmacies that specialize in specific medical conditions. They work with patients in need of specialized medication that they can't get at pharmacies down the street. I'm a fertility patient. I've been doing this for almost 2 decades now. My wife, my son, we've been through it. Everything that I have in my life that's important to me is because of fertility. That's the whole reason I opened up Integrity RX. Number one, to help fertility patients, to help them every step of the way. I brought in experts. I brought in nurses. I brought in people just like myself who have had fertility problems themselves, who understand, who've been through it, who've been through the pain, the struggle of infertility, who know what it's like to be on the other end. So we have the compassion. We've been there. We want to help. That's why we're here, to help. In addition, patient education is an extremely important component of specialty pharmacy. Educating patients on how to use their medication properly, whether they're patients who we're seeing face-to-face or who we're working with 1,000 miles away. We have to be able to educate them on how to use their medication properly. So if the patient has to understand and become an expert, it's up to us to teach them how to become experts. So Integrity RX has nurses on staff, clinical pharmacists who are trained in specialty pharmacy to teach patients how to use their medication properly. And they're available 24 hours a day. It doesn't matter if it's a holiday, it doesn't matter if it's 3 o'clock in the morning. Patients have access to those nurses and clinical pharmacists all the time. If they have a question about their medication, they're not sure how to use it, they're not sure how to store it, we have pharmacists and nurses on call, ready and willing and able to help them answer their questions. That's what we're here for, every step of the way. During business hours, after business hours, it doesn't matter, we're here. That's what we do. So we're going to save patients money. We have contracts with the manufacturers who make the drugs. We get our medications directly from the manufacturers so patients don't have to worry, is their medication fresh? Do we get it overseas? No, we don't get it from overseas. We get it right from the manufacturers here in the United States. So their medication is the best medication possible. We have access to discount programs, the best discount programs. We have access to financing programs, so if paying up front for medication isn't an option, we offer medication financing. Low interest rates, long-term financing, soft credit checks. A lot of pharmacies don't offer that. Something I made sure we were offering our patients. It's important. Helps people move forward with their dreams, and that's what it's all about. People have dreams, starting a family. I did, and I was lucky. I was very fortunate. I was blessed. And my son right now is 8 years old, and he means everything to me and my wife, and I owe it to this specialty. So how could I not give back to the specialty that gave me everything? People need to be able to trust that a pharmacy is doing what they say they're going to do every single time, one patient at a time. Our patients aren't numbers, they're people. They're not packages, they're people who have dreams. They want to start a family, and that's what we're here to do. We're here to help them achieve their dreams.